Here we're trying to simplify some radical expressions, and in order to do that we need to pull out any factors that are perfect squares. So in this first one we have the square root of 50. That can be thought of as 25 times 2, and 25 is a perfect square, so this can be rewritten as 5 times the square root of 2. Then we have the square root of 63. The square root of 63 can be thought of as 9 times 7. So the square root of 63 can be simplified to 3 times the square root of 7. And then the square root of 32 can be thought of as 16 times 2. Since 16 times 2 is 32. 16 is a perfect square, so this can be rewritten as 4 times the square root of 2. So essentially what I did here was just take the square root of the factor that was a perfect square. So rewriting each of those expressions by pulling out the perfect squares, we have 5 times the square root of 2 plus 3 times the square root of 7 minus 4 times the square root of 2. Now combining radicals is kind of like combining like terms. We can only combine like radicals. In this case, the ones that both have the square root of 2 can be combined. And 5 square root of 2 minus 4 square root of 2 would be 1 square root of 2, which we'll simply write as the square root of 2. So our final answer here is the square root of 2 plus 3 times the square root of 7.